what's up, babe? Yellow everything this time, you know what I'm talking about? Yellow rims, yellow big booty, yellow bones, yellow lambs, yellow MPs, yellow watch, yellow charm ring, chain, yellow living room set, lemonade Gucci shoes for my girl. My I'm sitting on sixes, no 20s in my gun. No gun is more than knocking because it is a lemon.
As you can see, the motor is in shambles right now. We have all the parts scattered all over the places and boxes and everything. And we'll be pulling the cams off and hopefully pulling the head off. I'm no expert. I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm going off what Google tells me to do. So yeah. All right, the head should be ready to come off. I don't know what I'm looking at, to be honest with you, but to me it doesn't look bad. I don't see anything alarming, but I'm not an expert at all. I got no idea. Regardless, the plan is new head gasket, new rings, new bearings, ARP main studs, new rod bolts, ARP head studs, refresh the head with some new valve stem seals, and I'm not sure what else, to be honest with you, but I want everything to look nice and fresh, especially that head. That head is disgusting. But yeah, I want everything nice and decked and cleaned and hot tanked and all that shit. Hopefully this will all look a lot better. This is months later. This car has been sitting for so long, I haven't even thought about it. That's a lie. I've thought about it a lot, but I haven't done anything. I've been waiting on parts. All of my bearings, all of my parts finally came in. I finally started disassembling the rest of the bottom in. The crank looks pretty decent. Nothing bad from what I'm seeing. I'm gonna give it to a machine shop. Hopefully they can clean everything up, make everything brand new, and I'll be able to go from there.
Let me ask you a question, Ted. Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no windows, do we? No, do we? No!
I guess I never showed this either. Odyssey tab downpipe. I had one that was a V-band, but I swapped that one over. And I got a nice new clutch. ORC twin disc. And I also sold my other R154 and I bought a brand new one. So we're starting with literally brand new everything, pretty much. Completely refreshed motor, brand new transmission, brand new clutch, brand new everything. Yeah. Ooh, shit. It ain't going nowhere. I placed the head on the block. ARP head studs. I will be installing these. Got a brand new head gasket on under here. It's looking real good. I've done a full pass of 30 foot-pounds and then 60 foot-pounds. Now it's for the final pass of 80 foot-pounds. Let's hope everything goes all good. That's sketchy. I will say that. Head is torqued. Cams are on. I have to torque those down, but I will need to follow some instructions on my phone, which is what I film on. So, be right back. I now have the cam seals in. The cam caps are all torqued down to 14 foot-pounds. I'm feeling slightly confident. Not 100% confident, but we're getting along here. Slowly but surely. Here I have the oil pump taken apart. I can almost positively say that this is the reason that I lost my last motor. These don't come oiled up really anymore. If you look at videos, a lot of people are saying that there's been bad batches or there's just been issues with them a lot lately. This thing was bone dry on the inside. I marked it so you can see this is exactly how it came out of here. This plunger right here that's on the inside of this was also very hard to move. It was like seized inside of here. These all need to be lubricated. So I have some assembly lube right here, and I'm just gonna lube everything all up. Lube the backside of this cover, lube these gears up, lube all back here, lube this plunger, everything. And I'm gonna put it back together to make sure that this is lubricated on the first startup, no matter what. So I don't have another issue like that again, hopefully. Here's an update. I've kind of just been plugging away on things, not really recording. Engine mounts, cam gears, billet timing idler, water pump, the oil pump, Rat Industries water neck, my heater hose pipe, deleted for the oil cooler. Just plugging away, trying to get things done. I have not been good with the updates. The motor's pretty much almost all the way assembled now, to be honest. Harness is on. Got a couple sensors that I gotta put on under the manifold over here. It's timed. Turbo's going on now. Looking good. Fingers crossed, guys. Nice layer of dust. Just covering all of it. You can see everything's still smudged up and nasty. I gotta clean everything, but definitely excited to have the motor back together. Nice twin disc clutch, all freshly put in and installed. Watch this, boom, look at how easy it comes out. Perfect. Brand new R154 installed. Yes, sir. Converted the clutch from the push-pull conversion or whatever it is for the RC clutch. About to go in. So I've been extremely bad with all the updates lately on this car, but good news is it's all back together, pretty much. All I need to do is a couple plugs, a little bit of wiring, full exhaust, drive shaft, everything is installed. I have an oil pressure sensor from Haltech that I'm waiting on. I want to get that installed before I do the first startup and everything, but we'll see. I still need distilled water for some coolant to mix with. All the other fluids are in, as you can see. Fingers crossed. Keep them crossed for me, guys. That freeze plug right there on the side of the block. You see how it's got coolant coming out of it? Yeah. So all of this shit, pretty much, yeah, I got to take off the intake manifold probably, and the power steering pump and shit, just to get to that. And yeah. That one's fine. That one's fine. That's one I already replaced, but I'm gonna have to replace it again, probably. Powerhouse Racing, you can see all those nice freeze plugs, them bronze valve guides with the fresh valve job. It looks so much better with tire on it. Look at all this nut. He fucking nutted all over my fucking tire, bro. At work.
Take the thing off.
We got water or coolant, water and coolant in the fucking motor now. And my hot side is all taken apart. Cause that fucking seal right there, this block off plate was leaking coolant. And yeah, lost about fucking gallon of fucking water while replacing that shit. But I don't think we have any leaks now. I think we're all good. Gotta make a trip to the store, get a vacuum line, boom to boom. Make sure, come back and I'm gonna make sure it still has the same amount of water in it. And then we might drive tonight. There's a meet tonight that I want to go to really bad. So we'll see. Someone crashed at the bottom of the hill down here. Fucking. Let's wait. Damn, son, that shit's fucked. Can't park there. So, as you can see, the car is together and it has been running for a little bit. This clip's like probably a month after those last clips that you just watched of the car running. But also, as you can see, I don't know if y'all really noticed, but before I was going Haltech and I had a J-pipe delete and all of that. I had AN lines for my coolant, blah, 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 blah. I kind of toned it back a bit and I went back to more of a stock setup just to get the car on the road. I ended up just selling the Haltech and all that stuff to recuperate some funds because this whole building the motor again was not in the plans or in the budget. So I was only gonna make like about 400 horsepower. I make probably 280 or whatever now, and I am more than happy with that. So with that being said, the car is driving now. Hopefully I'll get some clips of me driving it, sliding it maybe. I already no longer have those T5Rs. I already sold those wheels. I bought some Equips. I only have a pair right now, but I have 4 more coming. And I will plan to relip one of them, maybe sell the other pair. And then I'm gonna buy some other wheels this weekend too. I kind of have an issue right now with buying wheels. I need to stop, but the car is good. Good car.